What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right here we have one of the coolest things that you can put on your shelf in your background. We have I want to say digital hand. It feels like it's going in the Matrix, right? We have this pretty cool crafted hand from TikTok Shop, and it's a nice size, you guys. It's not too small. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna put it in my cubicle, right next to like my other stuff that I have on there. I want to buy more decor like this. I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, so that's about it. If y'all have any other questions or comments about this product, please let me know. I'll try to post a link, and that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.